Hello again, artists. Hope you're doing well. Okay, last time you should have drawn an animal, and now we're going to try and paint this animal in a Aboriginal style art, so kind of a dot painting. Now, if you have acrylic paint, it's slightly thicker paint, which maybe is the better paint to use for this task. But I know many of you will just have watercolor paints like this, just a small palette of watercolor paint, which is fine, and that's what I'm going to use for the demonstration today. Okay, so you'll need a jar of water or a cup of water and Q-tips, maybe 4 or 5 Q-tips, because you may need a few different colors. Dip the end in. Now for the turtle, I'm going to use green, of course. I think I'm going to use 2 different shades of green. So I've got dark green here and light green. I'm going to do dark green first. Okay. So just rub your Q-tip on the palette and simply go over the lines with your Q-tip. Okay, something like this. So try and leave a bit of space in between your dots, just for effect. For example, okay. Now in between those dark green dots, I want to use some light green, I think. So I can either wash that and use that end of the Q-tip, or probably better I use the other end and use the light green paint. Okay, so let's have a go with this. Alright, so the light green is going to go in between the dark green dots, like this. Okay, so you see how I'm getting quite a nice effect just with those 2 shades. So now I'm going to continue with the whole turtle, and then I'm going to do the background, the sea, which will be like light blue, dark blue dots. So I'm just finishing off my dot painting of my turtle using Q-tips. If you don't have Q-tips, you can use maybe the end of the pencil if you have an eraser, or maybe just the end of the pencil, like this. Maybe you have some felt tips at home. You could use that to do your dot painting also, your dot picture. But however you do it, best of luck, and remember to have fun.